Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who follow me on YouTube, they know that I used to have a Golf Mark IV. I bought the Golf to repair it and try to sell it and make some profit, but this Golf was not making me happy, so yeah, I bought a new car. Yeah, this is a BMW E46 52 plate convertible. Let me show you the engine. It's 330. I think it's around 230 brake horsepower with a M rear bumper, convertible. The roof needs cleaning, but this will be in the next videos. Wheels, nice wheels. The body is in very good condition. No scratches, no dents. There's a little dent here. I don't know if you can see. And this chip here. Pretty much that's all. The car is on 132 thousand miles. The front bumper is M as well. Let me show inside. I like the interior. It's probably one of the best interiors. It's a gray leather with a wood. It has a memory. If you want to save your position, the position of your seat, you have 3 slots to save them. And let's say your father or your missus wants to drive the car as well, they can save their position as well. It's automatic with the M steering wheel, the sport steering wheel. Let me show you the back. It's a little bit mess, but yeah. I thought that this doesn't help down net, but when you drive with roof down, it helps a lot, and it doesn't wind inside. It's a very good car. This is probably locked. Let me show you under the bonnet. The 3-liter engine. The engine bay needs cleaning. I did a part exchange. I exchanged my Golf for this car, and I gave a little bit of money. The Golf cost me around 410 pounds because I bought the Golf for 300. I think I changed the brakes. The brakes were 50 quid. What else? Yeah, the wheels. I refurbed the wheels. They cost me 70 quid. 70 quid. This was for paint stripping the wheels, sandblasting, removing the tires, fitting the tires after that, and balance. Painting the wheels of the Golf, it cost me nothing because I'm a paint sprayer and I paint them. I used old paint and use a little bit lacquer, and that cost me nothing. So everything comes around 410, 420, I don't remember. And I exchanged the car for this BMW, and I gave 1400 pounds. So the total is around 1800, 1820. And these cars, these BMWs, they go around 2.5 grand to 3,000. It depends what the condition is. So I'm pretty happy with this car. I'm thinking to keep it. I ain't gonna sell this car. I'm planning to do a little bit more like valeting videos. Let me know in the comments below how to clean the roof, because you see the moat, and I want to clean the what should I use? Auto glue? I don't know, or auto finesse to clean the roof. I want to clean the leather. I want to clean the leather as well, and I'm thinking to put a custom exhaust system. Let me know in the comments below where should I go. I'm in Hertfordshire. I'm planning to keep this car. It makes me very happy. It's convertible. Just you know the weather in UK, but you can still drive it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos with my BMW. Please like the video, follow me on Instagram. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.